What it is, YouTube, man? We's back with a video that I never in life wanted to make. A video that I never thought I would be making. Today's Sunday. I finished the Dallas legal pit edit. I just needed to put music behind it, but I literally was gonna spend today putting music behind it and giving you guys the legal pit video. But instead of that, I'm giving you guys I wrecked the shit out of my RT video, and this is just what happened. So just know, like, it's hella bright outside. Like, you can see it off my car, it's bright. I turned the corner coming down the street, and my windshield was still defrosting. Like, it was still fucked up, and then I couldn't see because of the sun. So I come down the street, and I'm in this side of the street, and I'm rolling slow because I can't see anything. But I thought I was in the middle of the street, and I was all the way over here, and I slow rolled all the way into the back of that shit. Like, from my POV, I couldn't see anything out my windshield, and it was just the car until it was too late. Smacked the back of it hard. Hit that hole hard. So I'll post the pictures and all that. You know, it looked way worse when it first happened, but pretty much pulled the front bumper off. It broke off. Left headlight case is out. I haven't popped the hood yet because I just don't even want to mess anything up. But if you can see in here, this intake, my intake is loose. It's not loose. That's on the. It's just wiggling around up in there. You know, the whole wheel well came out. So that's why all this looks naked or whatever. The wiper fluid reservoir was busted, so all of that shit came out. This bracket is completely broken off, snapped off. This front bar is bent in pretty bad. The front bracket is all broken. See, it's uneven. This is like the hood is just, you know, that shit turned into two pieces. Literally, it's crumbled up and shit. This part, he kicked this fender back this way, but this was peeled back where it was touching this. So but besides this front end damage, the wheels are fine, wheel rods are fine, axles are fine, undercarriage, all of that shit is fine. Honestly, from the back you probably couldn't even tell. Yeah, like from here you couldn't tell. Looks like a perfectly normal car. Then you walk around, you're like, what the fuck? Nah, but I moral of the story today, like, I fucked up. Today was just a fuck up. I don't even know what today is. March 5th, March 6th, I fucked up today. And you know, sometimes we fuck up. It is what it is. But this the front bumper. It's just, this part is all cracked off. You see the vinyl though? Come on. My man Alvin did a good job. He did a good job. The tow truck nigga who went and got my car, he was like, man, who did your rap? Like, 10 out of 10, man. The rap was damn near merged into the paint. Real professional, real vinyl work. You couldn't even tell it tomorrow throughout the week. I'm gonna have a rental car until they fix it. But pretty much from my guess, my estimates, they're gonna need a new hood, a new passenger front panel, the one that got peeled back. They're gonna need all the plastics and front bumper supports. That whole rear end brackets, you're gonna need new rear. I mean, you're gonna need new front end brackets, not rear end. A new bumper for sure, and then new headlight case, and that should pretty much, you know, damn near a new front end. I just think the insurance gonna throw a whole new front end, new hood, new passenger panel, and then the board, and my monthly rate is gonna skyrocket. I'm already knowing because I'm at fault 100%, but we just gotta wait and see when all this happens. But thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hate that I had to make this video. Never in my life thought she would be fucked up as the thumbnail, but it is what it is. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all next time.